Today we are preparing a simple but ultimately very delicious and moist cake. For this cake we need 5 eggs, and we're separating the egg whites from the yolks. Beat the egg whites while gradually adding 300 grams of granulated sugar, which is approximately 1½ cups. Once the egg whites are beaten, add the yolks and beat everything together. Pour in 250 milliliters of oil and 300 milliliters of milk. You can also add 20 grams of vanilla sugar or vanilla extract. Now beat everything together again. After combining everything, add 100 grams of coconut, 130 grams of flour, which is 1 cup, and 10 grams of baking powder. Sift the flour and baking powder. Mix everything together with a spatula. When everything is combined, let it sit for 5 minutes so the coconut can absorb some of the liquid. After 5 minutes, the mixture looks like this. Now divide it into 2 equal parts. In the first part, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Combine everything. In the second part, add 2 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder. If the cocoa powder is mild, feel free to add 3 tablespoons. Combine this mixture with the cocoa powder. Grease the pan where the cake will be baked with oil and preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Sprinkle some flour in the pan and shake it around. Remove the excess flour. Pour the yellow and brown mixtures alternately into the pan. By the time this is done, the oven will be preheated. Now take the cake to bake. In a small pot, put 1 cup of sugar. The cup is 200 milliliters and half a cup of water, 100 milliliters. Bring it to a boil. When the syrup boils, cook it for about 10 seconds. Remove it from the heat and let it cool. The cake is baked. The baking time is 40 minutes. Cover it with a cloth and let it cool. If you like this video recipe, you can watch more similar recipes on our channel. After about 20 minutes, uncover the cake and gently poke it with a skewer like this. Pour the previously prepared syrup over the cake. You can make more syrup if you wish. But I want to be able to hold this cake and eat it from my hand. Leave the cake to cool completely and absorb the syrup.